Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are gonna learn how to turn off sound effects in the CarX Street game. If you're trying to turn off the sound effects in the CarX Street because the engine noise, menu sounds or background effects feels too loud, then here's how you can easily adjust or disable the sound effects in the settings. First of all, open the CarX Street game on your device and make sure you are inside this lobby screen. Once you're in, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. And once you do that, you'll come across this page where you need to click on Audio from the top of the screen. Inside the audio section, you'll see different options such as master, music, environment, effects, engine, tires, UI, etc. In order to adjust the sound settings, or if you want to completely turn off the sound effect, you can just turn off the master option, drag it all the way towards the left, and you will not hear any kind of a sound in the game. But if you want to adjust some of the sound effects out there, simply go ahead and leave the master volume option on and decrease the volume for music, environment, effects, and so on. Go ahead and adjust it according to your preference, and once you do that, you will be able to adjust the sound effect in the game. So that way you will be able to turn off the audio or the sound effect in CarX Street according to your preference. Whenever you need to adjust the sound, now you know where to look. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.